Xiamen Beenew roll forming machinery called Moani. Located in Xiamen, a special economic zone in the Southeast Sea of China. The production base is located in Tong'an. The total plant area is 30,000 square meters. At present, it is the largest and highest grade manufacturer of roll forming machine in China. It is also the first roll forming machine manufacturer to realize spot trading by mass production of regular products, and the production and sales volume ranked first in China for 3 consecutive years.
We are the first in the industry to promote the concept of Pareto principle. It's to divide the products into customized products and regular products. Regular products, 80% of sales, only need to occupy 20% company's management expenses, and these products are produced in a planned way. Customized products, 20% of sales, cost 80% of the company's research and development expenses. These products are produced by order. This can not only make a big enterprise, but also make fine products.
I visited the Beenew factory yesterday, and I saw the dedication of the chairman of Brandnew and the concept of Pareto principle that he has been introducing to me. He can control the new sales model and changes of roller forming machine very well.
The regular products include CC purlin machine, color steel tile machine, and full deck machine, straightening machine, and other roller forming machines. Customized products include container houses and other fields. Invested heavily to build the first sharp blasting the resting and automatic baking paint production line in the industry. The appearance and service life of the equipment have reached the leading level in the industry. Xiamen Quality Inspection Institute regularly checks the hardness of roller, chromium plating thickness, and products processed by equipment, and issues written reports, adhering to the principle that the sale is not the end, but the service has just begun, no matter whether it is over in short or on holiday. The phone will be handled quickly if it breaks down normally. Abnormal faults, quick treatment on site to stabilize production, stable product quality, and perfect after-sales service. Worldwide recognition and praise from customers.
When I visited the factory, I found that every worker and master, in every corner of the workshop, infected me with a serious and meticulous attitude. This cold craftsman spirit.
Xiamen Beenew won many patents including CC interchange and automatic replacement. Has become the vice chairman of China Construction Association and the small and medium-sized science and technology enterprise in Fujian province. Xiamen grows small and medium-sized enterprises and begins to declare national high-tech enterprises after co-organizing several seminars of roll forming machine with Taiwan province Yehud. Xiamen Beenew has been widely recognized by users of roll forming. It was also recognized by Yao Bin, former Minister of Housing and Urban Rural Development. Xiamen Beenew brand pilot, nearly 10 domestic customers, including Zhejiang Seiko, Shanghai Steel Jiji, Shandong Mastercard, and spread all over the United States, Japan, Russia, and other 50 countries.
More and more customers choose Xiamen Beenew. I think this recognition from customers. For Beenew, it is the best affirmation and reward for their long-term hard struggle.
All our efforts to